very good morning. Here we are again at Trademy.com live trading session. Welcome to everybody. I see Adrian. Hello. Hello, Emma. Eve, welcome. Nice to see you. Fanos also with us this morning. Nice. Jenna, hello. Hope you are doing well. All of you guys, hello. Welcome to have you here. And the wonderful Mary is also with us this morning. Patrick, long time no see. Nice to see you as well. So, guys, was a very, very interesting afternoon yesterday. Fed decision moved the markets extremely. S&P, Dow Jones, they edged totally down, and the tech data boosted Nasdaq yesterday. On the European market, not much happened. Let's have a quick round and look what happened yesterday after the decision. We are looking right now on DAX. Not big movement after the decision, but this morning we are hello Ellen, welcome, and also Stephen is with us this morning. Good morning to everybody of you guys. It's really nice having you here. Mary, hello. Mary made some money on Euro USD. Good job. I will pass in a short while to Kyriakos to update you about the forex movements after last night's Fed decision. Also this morning I got a notification. Let me read you the notification. Trump said again something interesting. He said trade war. Trump is it's in German, so I have to translate it, guys. Trump is threatening with higher customs towards China. Let's see why 2 days ago we had a huge movement on the market, because they had this meeting, this very secret meeting, and today, this morning, I woke up with this news and I was like, oh, what will happen? What will happen now? But afterwards, nothing more came. And let's see how it will follow. So, as I said, we are looking at DAX, and DAX is having a very strong downtrend. You see over here, it's going quite strongly down. Okay, it looks like a pullback, a consolidation, and then it might drop further. I will not enter now DAX, but I will write it down to get a second entry over here maybe. Italy 40 is the same picture. It's in a very narrow range. I don't see here much possibility to trade for now. USA 100. Let's have a look at USA 100. Yesterday we had a huge movement, as you can see after the announcement here. You see how it dropped. For today we are in a stable range. For now, later in the afternoon we will definitely trade USA 100. We made some nice profits yesterday. And of course oil. Let's have a look at oil. What happened with oil? You see, we had yesterday also the oil inventories. As you remember, the results, they increased. The results were increased, and now afterwards we had this huge gain. It started to be traded at 71, and throughout the night it dropped, and now it's back to $68 per barrel, guys. Now it's down to $68 again. Well, this is the situation right now. Let me see. Like DAX looks. Guys, I will open a trade on DAX. I will sell DAX. I will sell DAX before I pass to Kyriakos. And let me see what's going on with USA 100. So I see here on USA 100. I need yes, Mary, I went long on DAX. I went long on DAX. I said short, but I went long on DAX because I'm expecting here a pullback up to here, this level, and then I will exit DAX, and then I will go short. But there is still a bit of space to go long here. That's why I bought long, and I will put, we don't aim a big profit here because in general I think it will be a downtrend, but it will break this level, and when it breaks we will go short 0.70. So our take profit is at 12,585.30, and our stop loss will be at, let me see. Yeah, there we go. We are making already $40, and our stop loss will be at let me see here, at 12,547, 12,547. There we go, guys. Yeah, we are making $60 up, and take profit. We closed our first position with a take profit today. Let me see. Yeah, with $118, it was our first position, and we closed it with a small profit of $118, and we didn't need even 2 minutes for that. Great, great. I don't know, Mary, did you manage to enter? Ching, ching, yeah. Great, 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 great. Nice, nice. So, before I continue, I will pass now shortly to Kyriakos because I know he has some pending trades. He will update you, and then we will be back here again with you guys. So, Kyriakos, please.
Good morning, and from me as well, guys, and welcome to today's trading session. So I saw that some of you have made some money on euro dollar shorting positions for today. Well done, guys. Very proud of you. Now, today, guys, is all about the GBP. Today is the Super Thursday for the British pound. As I have mentioned yesterday, this is the first time the Central Bank of England will increase interest rates. It's forecasted to increase interest rates since the financial crisis. The news announcements for the interest rate announcement will be done at 11 a.m. UTC time. Expectations are talking about a 25 basis points interest rate increase from 0.5 to 0.75. Now, Some of you are asking me if I will trade live at that time. My answer will be I will try not to. I will try not to. And the reason it's because of high volatility. However, I prefer to trade today GBP and Euro GBP, pound dollar and the Euro GBP with orders. Volatility, guys, for GBP today is certain. And when I'm talking about volatility, I don't mean a volatility of 20 pips. I'm talking about a volatility of 100 pips. So, for example, maybe pound dollar from 130.80 goes up to 131.80 and then drops again back to 130.30. A lot of volatility is expected. So how I suspect, I don't know if you have experienced this that I would tell you. I mean, have you ever experienced a currency, a central bank of a currency to increase the interest rates? And instead of that currency to become stronger, to become actually weaker. So this is what I suspect it will happen on pound dollar today. Although they will announce a rate increase, momentarily pound dollar will go up, but then I believe we will have a close lower than the low of the announcement. What I mean, if the announcement was made now and the lows of this candle is at 130.70, maybe we see the price momentarily go up to 130.140, but by the end of the day, maybe we see a close lower than the 130.70. So this is what I expect to happen today on pound dollar. It's very interesting, the 4-hour chart of pound dollar. What is happening here, guys? This is a head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And what do we observe now? We have a break of a head and shoulders bearish pattern. Very strong pattern to be false, guys. So that's why I am telling you this. So maybe momentarily pound dollar goes up, but I suspect, I cannot be certain, I suspect that eventually we close lower than the lows before the announcement. So how I will trade today Euro GBP and pound dollar? I will look for extreme conditions. What do I mean by extreme conditions? For example, here I have one strong resistance level at 131.05. Here is my 4-hour trend line and the 1-hour trend line, and here I have another very strong resistance level. So what I will do today is that I will look for a short position, not at this level, at this level. I'm looking for extreme conditions. So what I will do right now, I will place a sell limit order on Euro GBP at 131.40. I will use 35 pips stop loss at 131.75, a bit above this resistance level. Okay, and I will target this support here. I will target 130.60, guys. So I just placed a sell limit order. I believe, now you will ask me, okay, if you believe the price will go up, I mean 90 pips, why don't you go long? Even if I go long, due to the volatility of the markets at that time of announcement, maybe my take profit is not triggered. So I prefer to go short, to go with the trend, to go with the head and shoulders pattern. Anyway, if it touches here, the head and shoulders is still valid, is not cancelled. I'm looking for extreme level conditions. So that's why I will go short at this level here. 35 pips stop loss, I'm risking $1,750 and $4,000 profit. I believe you have an update?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, we closed another DAX position with $200 profit. I went long also on UK 100, and now I'm going long on Italy 40. I just went long again on Italy 40. Let me see. Let me see. Yes, why it didn't take my, it did. It did. I went long at Italy 40. And on UK 100, we are long. We are aiming on UK 100, also a profit of $200. It is, let me see, UK 100 is making right now money. And okay, so let me write them down, which positions I entered, guys. For I went long on UK 100. I entered at 7,618.05, and my stop loss is at 7,602, and my take profit is at 7,621.50. This is my UK 100 position. For Italy 40, I'm aiming here a profit of around $200, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, $225. And I entered Italy 40 at look at 21,615.2, and I want, let me see, I want a take profit. I'm planning here a take profit at, yes, at 21,653, and my stop loss is at 21,550. This is, guys, my aim for today. For now, I entered here. There we go. And my stop loss, I will write it down for you guys. My stop loss is at 21,550, and my take profit is at 21,653. There we go. And we exit DAX on the perfect time, guys. Look at this. We exited it on the perfect time. We closed this morning 2 positions. We made already $300. Let's see how the other 2 positions, which we currently have open on Italy and UK 400, will develop. We are watching and watching it closely. If we have any updates, I will come back here and let you know. Kyriakos, sorry for the interruption.
No worries at all. So I have explained why my philosophy, how I will trade today pound dollar. Let me explain now how I will trade Euro GBP. Same philosophy. I have 2 support lines here. I'm going for extreme conditions. As I said, I'm expecting a lot of volatility today on the pound dollar pairs. It's the first increase since the financial crisis, first interest rate increase. So I have placed a buy limit order here on pound dollar, and I have also published it in the chat room, guys. I have placed a buy limit order at 88.55 with a 25 pip stop loss, and my take profit is this resistance level. So what I'm expecting for the pairs to do, just to show you graphically during the news announcement, I'm expecting this to go up, and then fall lower. And for Euro GBP to fall and then reach this resistance level. So I'm going for the edges today, for the edges, for the extreme upper and lower support and resistance levels. Such important announcements, based on the experience I have, that's the only way to play the game today, guys. Anything in between, high chance to hit a very quickly stop loss. So I repeat, I'm expecting a lot of volatility today on the GBP pairs, and I'm talking about the majors of pound, dollar, and euro GBP. So I'm going after the extreme lows or extreme highs on the charts, okay? So, moreover, as you can see, we have a short position on dollar yen. I see here a nice symmetrical triangle with, in combination with the moving average bearish cross, and this engulfing pattern here indicated me short positions. I'm aiming for the support of the round number 111, 111. Stop loss a bit higher than this resistance. Dollar CAD, I have observed a symmetrical triangle and breakout above the symmetrical triangle, bullish cross on the MAs. I think I'm aiming, okay, you can see now my charts. All right, so I have seen a symmetrical triangle, I repeat, on dollar CAD. We had a break of the symmetrical triangle to the upside. Together with a bullish cross confirmation on the MAs, I have entered long. I'm not targeting this level, I'm targeting this level. So, and the stop loss is a bit lower than this support here. Let me go back and show you what I expect on pound dollar because I wasn't sharing my screen. I repeat, I'm hunting extreme conditions. I'm expecting pound dollar during the news announcement to go up and then fall. Up and then fall. Euro GBP, I'm expecting during the news announcement to go down, trigger our level if we are lucky enough to be triggered, and then go up. So that's my take profit from my buy limit orders. So two new orders for you today, guys. I have placed a sell limit order on pound dollar at 130.140 at the resistance level, very strong resistance level. And I have placed also a buy limit order on Euro GBP at this support level, aiming for 89.20. So what else do we have today? We have at 11:30, okay, there we are. The party starts now on GBP. 11:30, we have, that's 8:30 UTC time, AM. We have in a few minutes the construction PMI in around 7 minutes. 52.8 worse than the previous month, the forecast. That's in approximately 7 minutes from now. You know that at 11 AM we have the party of the interest rates on the GBP. And 11:30, Carney will speak. There we are. So we will have the announcement of the interest rates, and then we will have a press conference by the Bank of England Governor Carney. And later, 1 hour later, at 12:30 PM, we have unemployment claims for the United States. 220K versus 217K the previous month. So basically, the party starts on the GBP. Today is a GBP day, guys. All the rest are nothing. I mean, everybody is concentrated on GBP. However, since I have spotted some nice opportunities on other pairs, I have traded them. Also, I'm looking, and I will see if I will enter or not, for possible long positions on euro dollar. And nothing else today, guys. I mean, I already have 2 trades and 2 orders. It will be very interesting to see pound dollar, how it will react, and euro GBP during the news announcements. Now, let's check the news announcements for tomorrow. At any moment now, the GBP construction PMI will come out. Do you know, guys, what construction PMI measures? Do you know? Okay, basically, it measures, every construction company buys materials, okay, to build houses or any other types of residence or office space. The construction PMI makes a survey among the purchasing of raw materials managers of the construction companies and produce an index relative to the previous month if this month more raw materials for construction were bought or not. So basically, with few words, it measures the raw materials that the purchasing managers of the construction companies have bought relative to the previous month. Fundamentally, Mary, you're asking me if it's good if it goes up. Fundamentally, if the actual is greater than the forecast and better than the previous month, it's good for the currency. It means that UK is a housing economy like the US. So yes, if it comes out better than forecast, 52.8 is the forecast, and better than the previous month, 53.1, if it comes out, let's say, at 53.2, that's a very good result for the GBP, and it fundamentally is expected to see an intraday strengthening on the GBP. So this is construction PMI, and it will be out in approximately 4 minutes from now. Guys, do we have any new people in the trading room? Just for you to remind you that you can visit our website. For those of you who are new in the trading room, trademy.com. If you wish to upgrade or purchase any training program, contact trademy.com. We have a very good support team there with years of experience, the people there. They can evaluate you for free and they can assess your skills and trading knowledge, and they can recommend to you the best training program that is suitable to your needs, guys. What do I mean by that? It doesn't necessarily mean have to be the most expensive product, the training program. Maybe it's a cheaper training program. The programs are highly tailored to your needs, okay? So the people there will evaluate your skills and trading knowledge for free, and they will propose to you the best training program in order to start a successful trading career as a trader with us. Don't forget also the big opportunity that Trademy offers, because at Trademy we don't only care about theory. Theory is everywhere. Maybe you can find it in the internet, but be careful from the sources. The thing is to practice it and actually make money out of it, okay? So that's why Trademy provides its students funded accounts. And in some cases, funded accounts, live accounts, sometimes exceed $150,000, depending on the training program you can trade. Yes, you have heard well, sometimes they exceed $150,000. So contact your account manager, guys, and grab this opportunity. I see that Elif has shorted DAX. I will come back to you, Elif, in a moment, please. So this is a very exciting opportunity for those of you who want to have a professional trading career. The other thing that is very important is that me and Elif, the mentors, we are here to assist you using our one-to-one sessions. So if you wish to have a one-to-one session with us, just contact your account manager at Trademy. Elif, the stage is yours.
Guys, we just entered DAX and we are making already $200. Okay, now it dropped a bit. In the meantime, our Italy 40 and UK 100 position hit stop loss. But here on DAX, we are making money. We opened this position just 1 minute ago when we are making already $180. Let's see how it develops, guys, how it develops. and we might close it in a short while. For everybody of you, we have in 1 minute the PMI.
Wow.
There we go. There we go. 250, 260, $260. Let's leave it there. $260. I will put here my take profit on 12,517. There we go, 57, 5,057. Yeah, there we go. And I'm aiming on this position a profit of $400. Let me see what's going on UK 100. We had a position, it hit stop loss. The result of the construction PMI is positive, is highly positive. The market moves now down, up. Let's buy it and see how UK 100 will react. We lost already a bit of money on UK 100 because of our stop loss. We entered too early UK 100 before. Okay, however, now it's getting better. Nice. Now we are almost there, making money. Almost there. We started already making money, and I will put here my take profit. We will put also a take profit at 7,607.50. We are making money on DAX. We are making money on UK 100. Come on. So, I will leave these trades now to develop, and I think Kyriakos has also something to report about his GD, about his British pound position. He had some positions over there. So, Kyriakos, please continue.
Thank you. So guys, I was just having the conversation with Mary. The figure came out better than forecast and better than the previous month. But look what happened to the pairs. I mean, no movement at all. And actually, Euro GBP, instead of pound to be strengthening against the euro, it happened the opposite. I mean, look at that. It was here, and after the news announcement, the pound actually weakened instead of strengthening even more. So it's only momentarily the impact, okay? Momentarily strengthened, but eventually the market has corrected this. The same with pound dollar, minor volatility. Okay guys, everybody's expecting the news announcements and the interest rates of the GBP today. I mean, don't expect substantial movements of the GBP pairs before the announcement is made. Let's go around and see how our two positions are doing. Currently, dollar CAD is losing us some money, if you can call it a loss, $35. And our dollar yen is still within the consolidation area. I believe it will break to the downside eventually, guys. We will see, and we will check and see how it goes. Now, the interesting pair for me today is euro-dollar. The interesting pair is euro-dollar. The key here is that it has the percentage, this stochastic has reached an oversold condition. So most probably we will see another drop to the downside and then we will start going up. That's why I will be closely monitoring it. Pound dollar, we have said about pound dollar. The same with Aussie dollar, still has a few more room to go down and then I believe it will revert. Euro yen, I believe it has more room to go down than euro dollar and Aussie dollar, but I'm looking for a good correction for short positions. I mean, if we were here, I would have shorted it, but now in between, as you can see, huge distance, I cannot trade for the moment. Dollar CHF, again here, I have missed this symmetrical triangle upside breakout, guys, and the reason is because it was at 5 o'clock in the morning. All right, so we missed that. Dollar yen, as you can see, is within the consolidation, and Euro GBP, we have said that we have placed our orders. Elif, you have an update?
Yes, guys, I'm very close to hit take profit on my DAX position, guys. On my DAX position, we are very close to hit take profit. Right now, we are making for. There we go. We just hit take profit on DAX. Another $400 on DAX. Very nice. Let's see for the next one. So, Kyriakos, please continue.
Right. Very nice job, Elif. Well done. So, let me see if I have any other trading opportunities for this morning session, guys. Guys, I don't have anything else to add here. I mean, have you taken any positions on any of the pairs? That's all I want to say. I have nothing more to say for today. I have placed 2 trades, I have placed 2 orders. I don't see any more opportunities for the moment. But guys, if you have placed any trades or if you already have positions on the majors, on the Forex majors, and you would like to ask me anything about the support, about the resistance, whether or not you can close any positions or open more positions on particular Forex pairs, if you want to hear a second thought of your opinion, please free to type me on the chat room, okay? I don't have anything else for the moment, so I'm available to you guys to answer any questions regarding your trades on Forex. Perhaps you want to place a trade, maybe we can find a better entry level together. Just type your question in the chat room and I will be more than glad to share with you publicly my analysis. As you can see, I have analyzed all the 8 major pairs for you today, guys, in order to trade them here in front of you. But for the moment, I only have 2 opportunities on dollar CAD long and on dollar yen short, together, of course, with my sell and buy limits orders on the pounds. So, any questions, guys? Any pair that you would like to discuss? Do you have any trades on any Forex pair of the 8 majors we are trading here? If you do, you can type it your question on the chat room, and I will go live and explain you my philosophy and what I believe. Okay, for the moment, that's all from me. Elif, you have any updates? Okay, we are going with Elif.
Oh, guys, basically, as you know, it's an earning release period, and yesterday evening and this morning, earning releases from European shares were announced, and it made a huge move on the index market, and you see this very strong drop happens due to the bad results on the earnings. Like BMW had very bad results, and that's why I opened yet now a big position on DAX. big sell position on DAX, and I will leave this position to run. I will leave this position to run until it gets my profit. And once it's developing, I will put a positive stop loss. So as soon as it develops, I will put a positive stop loss so I can get the market movements throughout the day. I believe in general today on DAX it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend on DAX for today. The PMI on the British PMI made just a very slow movement, slow effect on your UK 100, very slow, as you can see. Italy 40 is also not developing as good as I expected it. I even tend to open another Italy 40 position. We closed it with a bad result. As you know, we closed it with a stop loss. I'm tempted now to open a sell position with a bigger exposure to cover a bit my losses, which I suffered from Italy 40 this morning. And now it's time. I will open, guys, I will open 30 lots, a sell position on Italy 40, 30 lots. I know it's a big exposure, but I will do this step so I can cover the loss I suffered this morning. So let me see where we can put our stop loss and our take profit on this trade. So I will put my trade on Italy 40, my take profit on Italy 40 at 21,460 and my stop loss at 21,775. There we go. I'm aiming a profit of around $2,000. Also here, as I said, for DAX, also here I will do the same strategy. Once it's getting in profit and developing, I will put a positive stop loss. What does this mean, a positive stop loss? It will be a stop loss, but the loss is positive. So we will put the stop loss below the entry level. So although the market moves in your direction, if there is a pullback, and we will enter it. Great, great. So Kyriakos is asking if you guys want us to go live during the interest rate decision. Me personally, I would love to trade during the interest rate decision, and I will trade during the interest rate decision. If you like, I will be live, and Kyriakos as well, to follow the market movements and see what is happening. Great, great. Yes, we will be live here during the announcement of the British interest rate. Most probably they will increase the interest rate the first time after the crisis. And we will see how it will end up. A very, very interesting trading day, very interesting movement. In approximately 2 hours from now, we will be again here watching for the Bank of England announcement, and half an hour later we will have the press conference of Carney, and most probably during the press conference we will have another nice announcement. Now still no big move. No still big move on our trades. We have 2 trades open, and during the announcement we will open also most GDP and UK 100 trades to get some money in. In 15 minutes we will have the European PPI. Yep, okay. In 15 minutes we will have the European PPI. Let me see how it will react. The PPI is a very small reading. It doesn't have a huge effect on the indices, but still we can see a volatility. And when you see this kind of volatility, if you have a losing trade, or it might reduce a bit your losses, and you can close most probably your trades in that moment. So furthermore, guys, as Kyriakos already mentioned on the chat, don't forget about our social media presence. We are on Twitter, we are on Facebook. You can find us also on YouTube in case that we couldn't manage to follow us during our live trading session. You can find the videos and the full session. Okay, you can find them on YouTube and get it, master our trading strategies. I like DAX today. Läuft. This is how Germans would say. Läuft. Läuft. Good, good. Läuft. However, guys, we have also here our chat function. I just can emphasize once again what Kyriakos already told you. The chat function is for you guys, so you can contact us directly on the chat, so we can answer all your questions, whatever is not clear, whatever you would like to know, we can answer it here on the spot. So use this function. Use this function for you guys to get better. So right now we are making $160 on DAX, and for all of you who didn't saw it until now, we are making $400 right now on DAX. Great, great, great. On Italy 40, it started to move in our direction. Yes, guys, this is how we want it. We will get our losses back. We will get our losses back. We are making right now $700. Great, $720 on DAX. Woo! $800 on DAX, guys. We are making $800, $900 on DAX. And I think it's time for us to start putting a positive stop loss. So I'm putting my first positive stop loss on DAX, which is at Okay, I will put it very small stop loss. Now for you, just to show it, just for everybody who didn't know until now, you will. So I put my stop loss, as you can see, we are a sell position, we are having a sell position, and I put my stop loss a bit lower than the entry level, which means in any case, even if I lose this trade, I will make $100 on this trade. So I can move this stop loss, and even if the trade moves against me, I would make a profit of $200 right now. However, right now I'm making $700. The market is quite volatile. So it's quite volatile. We are making right now $600 on DAX, guys. We are making $600 on DAX. I see that William just joined us here in our live trading session. Hello, William. Welcome. Nice to see you. We are trading right now on DAX. We are making approximately $700. We put a positive stop loss, so in any case we will make money on this trade, but we are aiming a position, a profit of approximately $2,000. We had a stop loss, we got triggered a stop loss on Italy 40 with a loss of $1,000, and we want this money back. That's why we are aiming here $3,000, you know, that's the reason. So I see Italy 40, we have also a position open on Italy 40, and in approximately 8 minutes we are expecting the European PPI index, the European PPI index, and I don't think that it will move a lot the market. I don't think so, but still it's good to have a look at it and see how it will work. And I'm sure. Oh, look at UK 100, guys. Look at UK 100. A huge move up. The buyers, the bulls got the power over UK 100. Look at these guys. Look at this. Woo! Kyriakos, any updates from your side? What's happening with your forex trades?
Yes, basically nothing changed here. We just the two trades I have placed, guys, have just started to move actually. Just for the newcomers, let me revise what I have said in the morning regarding the new trades. Here I have observed a symmetrical triangle in combination with the bullish close of the MAs. On dollar CAD I have entered long positions. Stop loss a bit lower than 129.90 support level. I have placed it at 129.87 and I'm aiming for this resistance level here at 131. The second position I have entered, which has just again started to move in my side, is that I saw a symmetrical triangle bearish breakout again, bearish close on the MAs. I have shorted also dollar yen and I'm aiming for the 111 target area. Now regarding the euro pound and the pound dollar, as I said before, I'm looking for extreme levels. I'm expecting a lot of volatility on the pairs. And yes, we will be trading live here with you the interest rate increase, the historic interest rate increase of the GBP. That's the first forecasted interest rate increase of 25 basis points since the financial crisis for the Central Bank of England, guys. And I expect a lot of volatility. I will repeat that. Be careful with your pound trades. I expect a lot of volatility on the GBP pairs. That's why I have placed a sell limit order at 131.40. So I'm expecting during the news announcement the price to go up, trigger my sell limit order, and then fall down. The same for euro pound, which is more or less a mirror image of pound dollar. I'm expecting during the news announcement the price to go down, trigger my buy limit order at 88.55, and then go up. My take profit for my buy limit order is at 89.20. So a lot of volatility is expected for the pound pairs. And yes, we will be here 10 minutes before the announcement. The announcement is at 11 a.m. UTC time, 10:50 a.m. UTC time. We will go live and see all the excitement that Forex is offering us during the announcement of interest rates. So for the moment, we are a bit positive, just above $200, nothing important, not a big deal for the moment. Regarding reward to risk ratios, guys, of the trades I have placed on dollar CAD, I'm personally risking $1,185, but I'm aiming for $3,150. For the dollar yen trade, I'm risking $1,265, and I'm aiming for $2,545. So as you can see, the risk reward ratios are very important when you trade, and they are greater than 1-to-1 in the majority of my trades. Now, euro dollar has approached a minor support level. However, since I have missed the short position, maybe in the afternoon session we will have an opportunity for long positions. Pound dollar, we said about that. Aussie dollar is going all the way down, guys. Most probably it will test the 73.65. As soon as it does that, then I will see in the afternoon session and decide whether or not I will enter a position. Euro yen, as I said before, it has a long way to go down, but the problem with euro yen is that if I go short now, my next resistance level is too far away from the current market price. So that's why I'm not shorting it. If we open the platform and we were around this area here, I would have shorted it and placed my stop loss. But for now, I will leave it go. Dollar CHF, again, I missed that trade. I should have entered at this level here. I missed it. I didn't see it on time. So my philosophy, never go after the markets. Let the markets come to you. You missed the trade, you are not losing money. For me, those who are losing money are not the ones who are out of the markets. Those who are losing money are the ones who have positions open and they are losing. So 0 is a positive number for me. So don't even bother to chase the markets. So for any newcomers, guys, do you have any positions in Forex? Have you taken any positions? Adrian, Alan, Emma, Jeff, Jenna, William, Patrick, Laura, do you have any positions taken? William, we have mentioned William as well. Any positions? Have you taken any positions on any Forex major pairs? If you have done so and you want to ask anything, please feel free to write on the chat your question. For example, I have entered long dollar CAD and my stop loss is at that level. Is it the correct level? These kind of conversations, we can have it and explain to you exactly how to identify the correct stop loss levels, for example. I can go live and explain it to you. I have analyzed all 8 Forex major pairs for you guys. So if you have placed any trades or if you have any thoughts for placing any trades and you would like to share them with us, be more than welcome and write your thoughts and your requests in the chat room, and I will be more than glad, and my colleague Elif, of course, to to answer any questions you might have. So currently we are making a bit more than $400. Still a long way to go. We will be here with you. Don't forget that we will come back at 10:50 a.m. UTC time, just 10 minutes before the announcement of the interest rates on the GBP. We will go live and enjoy the volatility, especially on pound dollar and euro pound, and we will see if our trades are triggered and how we will do. So that's all from me now. I see Elif has updates. I will see you again at 10:15 in approximately 2 hours from now.
Hey guys, here I am again. So let me check, guys. Our Italy 40 position is making money. Our DAX position is making money. Our DAX position, we put a positive stop loss. Look at our Italy 40 position. We are making right now $800 on our Italy 40 position. A wonderful downtrend, wonderful. The European PPI index was just announced. We are making $1,000 on our DAX position and $1,100 on our Italy 40 position. The PPI index was expected to be 0.3%. It was announced 0.4%. As I forecasted it, it didn't have a huge effect on the market, but still it's important to be aware of it, what's going on, how the markets are affected. We have a positive stop loss on DAX. In any case, we will close this position with a profit. Minimum profit on this position is currently $296. I will take it a bit further down, so I will increase the minimum profit of this position to $450. The maximum currently is at $3,000. And I will put also on our Italy 40 position a minimum positive take profit. I will put it at, let me see, at 21,523. So this is my minimum profit on this position. So it's around $500 at least. It's looking nice, guys. It's good. It's developing very well. UK 100 was moving also quite nice, but we didn't take any trade on it, unfortunately. In the second part of our morning session, to be honest, wow, we are making $1,500 on DAX, $1,000 on Italy 40. Nice. We closed already trades on DAX. Guys, I can't hold back. I will trade, I will sell also UK 100. I just sold UK 100. There we go. On DAX, we are making right now $1,600. UK 100, I sold UK 100. I sold also UK 100. Let me see where I can put. I will put here. On UK 100, we have to be a bit carefully. Today, it's the day of British pounds, and in half an hour, in 2 hours, they will announce the interest rate. So I just put now a very narrow take profit, and I'm aiming here a profit of, let me see, $800. Let's see how it will develop, and accordingly we can adjust it. Always in 2 hours we are expecting the announcement from UK, from the Bank of England, and hopefully until then our take profit on UK 100 will get triggered. Currently we are making $1,700 on DAX and $1,000 on Italy 40. These are risk-free. I will call it risk-free trades, because in any case, DAX and Italy 40, we will make money. We have positive stop losses over there. In any case, we will make money. If it hits take profit or stop loss, we will make money over there. And once UK 100 develops and gets, there we go. Now we start to make also money on UK 100. Very nice. On DAX, we are making $1,800 right now. Let me take the take profit a bit more, the stop loss a bit more down. There we go. Now, in any case, we would make at least $745 on DAX. Currently, we are making $2,000 on UK 100. We are making $1,040, guys. $1,040 on UK 100. I hope you traded with me. It's a wonderful day, guys. It's a really, really good day to trade. The trend is very clear over there. It's very clear over there. We put positive stop losses, so we secure our trend. Even if there is a reversal, we will make money, guys. We will make money today. Nice. Also on Italy 40, we have currently a take profit of $500. I think we can take it a bit further down to increase our profit. Yes, I just put it a bit further down. So in any case, we will make a profit of $745 from Italy 40 and $745 from DAX. So will be good. Will be good, guys. Also, UK 100 moves very nicely in our favor, guys. This is good. Look at this. This is so nice. Look at this picture. Look at this picture, guys. Is that nice? Yes, it is nice. It is nice. So, for any of you guys who traded with me this trade, if you think like this money is enough for you and you don't want to further wait, just close the profits, lock the profits, and it's okay. Guys, it's okay if you lock the profits. I'm sure that it will further drop. We will have short pullbacks, and but it's nice, going nice. Yeah, so let's have a quick check again. So in any case, on DAX, we will make 3,000 in the best case scenario on DAX, we will make $3,150 profit. Worst case scenario on DAX, we will make $750 profit. However, according how fast the movement is, I might adjust this stop loss. I might take it a bit further down so I can increase my minimum profit on it. On Italy 40, let's see Italy 40. Also here, the minimum profit is $745. The maximum profit is $2,750. And I'm sure that we will get this done soon, guys. It will look at this indicator. It's so sharp, it's so clear. It will continue to drop and we will make money on it. UK 100, UK 100, here we are. UK 100 has also a general downtrend, but not as fast as the other indices. Also with UK 100, we have to be aware that in approximately 1.5 hours, a bit more than 1.5 hours, a bit less than 2 hours, we will have this big announcement from the Central Bank of England, and this might change the index very strongly. That's why we have to be aware. That's why I just put a take profit of $800 here. I will be on top of these trades, guys, and once I have an update, I will let you know on chat. I'm checking now. Wait, for Italy 40, I might increase again a bit my yes, guys, I will increase my minimum profit. So my minimum profit on Italy 40 is $950 now. And if I close right now my position, I would make a profit of $1,600. But as I said, I will let it a bit move and we see. So guys, if I have any updates, I will come live again and let you know. In the meantime, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to answer all your questions. And looking forward to see you in less than 2 hours, guys. So talk to you soon, guys. See you. Bye-bye. Guys, we are very close to hit our take profit on Italy 40. We are not right now with $2,394. Guys, we are close to hit take profit. Our take profit on Italy 40 is at $2,700. Get ready, get ready. We are close to hit, and it's just a spread which is keeping us away from our take profit on Italy 40. Very close, getting ready to hit take profit. Another one push and we will hit our take profit on Italy 40. I'm here with you guys now to see, and then we will have a great ching moment. So I'm watching it now with you. Look at this picture, guys. Look at this picture, very nice movement. We are getting ready for our ching ching here. $2,500. We are making $2,500 on Italy 40. If we close now our position, we will cover all our losses from this morning. Okay, Italy 40 is getting close. Now, any moment we can hit take profit. Any moment we can hit take profit on Italy 40. On Italy 40, another one. We are just missing $5 on. There we go. Another 20 cents and we are in. Another 20 cents and we are in. Come on, come on. Another 20 cents and we are in, and we need it for this trade. Now, also UK 100 is very close to hit take profit. Another one hit and we are there. We are almost there, guys. Our take profit is at 21,460 and our current price is at 21,460.20. Ching ching, we hit take profit on UK 100. There we go, we hit take profit on UK 100. UK 100, $800 we got on UK 100, guys. $800. Great job. Now we are looking still on. We are still looking at on. We are looking at Italy 40. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there to hit take profit. We hit our take profit on Italy 40, on UK 100, and we made $800. There we go. There we go. Guys, I will close Italy 40 with a profit of $2,742. There we go. I closed my position and I made $2,742 on Italy 40. Ching ching, guys, ching ching. So we covered our losses from this morning, guys. We hit our stop loss and we covered our losses. We are now above, and this is good. So we are left with our DAX position. Our DAX position is set to make $3,000. We will need a bit time for it, but it will get there. In any case, on DAX, we will make money because we have a positive stop loss. And let's see how it will develop. We are here watching you guys, with you. Thank you, Patrick. I hope you had also fun and you were with me on Italy 40 and made some money. We are here and let's see how DAX will develop, and we will make also money on DAX, guys. So see you in a short while when the British pounds news will be announced. We will be back here.
So hello guys again. Can you all hear me, guys? Good afternoon. As promised, we are approaching now the interest rate decision for the GBP, and we are now monitoring the pound dollar pair. It's very bearish for the moment. We have a nice head and shoulders bearish formation completed to the downside, and I have placed also 2 pending orders. Let's see how the volatility will affect these pairs and how the action will be done during the announcement, guys. So, just very briefly, we are just 7 minutes away from the interest rate announcement. The bond rate votes are expected to be 7 against 2. And we are expecting a 25 basis points interest rate increase from the Central Bank of England at 0.75% from previously 0.50%. We are closely monitoring now Euro GBP and Pound Dollar. A lot of volatility is expected. Some movements have already been made, even if we still have around 6 minutes. But this is nothing to what will follow, guys. So stay with us to enjoy the volatility, excitement, and feel the adrenaline in Forex. Now, regarding our 2 positions we currently have opened, dollar CAD is doing fine, currently making us around a bit more than $700 for the moment. And our dollar yen trade is doing fine as well, currently making us a bit more than $500. Hello, Mary. So overall, we have profits of a bit more than unrealized, of course, $1,200 for the moment. So for those of you who have just joined us, I'm here with you guys to see and if we have the opportunity to trade live the pound pairs upon the announcement of the interest rate decision from the Bank of England. Any moment now, 5 minutes from now, we'll announce the forecasted interest rate increase, and we are closely monitoring now the pair. Now on pound dollar, on the 4-hour chart, we see a clear, guys, we see a clear head and shoulders pattern which has been completed to the downside. So it's a short, guys. That's why I placed a sell limit order. So basically, I have placed a sell limit order on pound dollar and a buy limit order on Euro GBP. Okay, I see that, Mary, here. You want to place a buy stop and a sell limit. These 2 orders are very similar, Mary. I think you meant buy limit and sell limit, right? Don't trade both ways, guys. Don't trade both ways. Just choose one way and trade it. I mean, if you believe it will go down, place a sell limit. If you believe it will go up, place a buy limit to fall and then go up, or just a buy stop. Mary says to buy if it jumps or to sell if it drops. It's not a bad idea, but you don't know how the execution will be on the platform, Mary. The spreads will open. Even if you place a take profit, it might not be hit. Even if you place a stop loss, it might not be triggered at the correct price. So you can, my suggestion, if you believe it will drop, find a good resistance level and place a sell limit order, of course with a stop loss and a take profit. The same with Euro GBP. I expect a lot of volatility, guys, any minute now. Now, before the announcement, we see a general weakness on Euro GBP, but usually, guys, based on my experience, before the announcement, the pairs are doing the opposite of what they will actually do. So if you are seeing now Euro GBP going up, most probably, and it's not 100% sure, most probably during the news announcement will drop, and then it might continue to go up. This is actually what exactly I want on Euro GBP. Don't forget that I have placed my buy limit order at this level here at 88.555. And pound dollar, I expect a jump up here and then decline. We will see, guys, what happens. We will see. It's any minute now, 2 minutes, just 2 minutes away from the news announcements. Very excited. I love these days. These are the days we live for as traders. So guys, any of you have taken any positions on the pound pairs or any other FX pairs that you would like to talk about them? We are just 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes away from the interest rate announcement, guys. And I will repeat that, volatility is expected. So let me switch to the 15-minute charts. Let me switch to the 15-minute chart of pound dollar and the 15-minute chart of Euro GBP. So we are monitoring pound dollar. Obviously on pound dollar the volatility will be much greater than Euro pound. So there it is, our sell limit order, guys. Maybe it does a spike, catches our sell limit, and then falls down. And there we start. The party has started. It's 2 o'clock. There we go, guys. Pound dollar, watching live here at Trademy, the interest rate announcement from the Euro pound. This is Kiraos Hailau from the Forex Trading Desk. And volatility, guys, is bugging the market for the GBP pairs. Let's put the 5-minute chart. Let's zoom it out a bit. There it is, our sell limit order. Enjoy the show, guys. Enjoy the show, and we hopefully do well. We are risking on pound dollar $1,750. This is our stop loss for Euro GBP. And there we go, guys. The party has started. You can see now the volatility on the GBP pair, and you can see that it started to go up. Let's see how up it will go and if it will reach our sell limit order. So it's 2 o'clock now. Any moment now the interest rates will be announced. And it's going up, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, trigger our sell limit order. Come on, a bit more up. A bit more up. Up, up. The Euro pound order almost got triggered. Come on, a bit more up. Go up. Trigger our sell limit order. 130, 140, guys. And I hope it stops there. No. No, it didn't. It didn't, guys. I hope it doesn't drop like crazy now. Just for 10 pips. 130, 140 was the sell limit order. Come on, you can still do it. Let's see the interest rate announcement, guys. The buy limit order of Euro GBP is ready. Okay, guys, we have 900 votes for interest rate increase, and we had an interest rate increase at 0.75. That's a historic moment for the Central Bank of England. And guys, trying again now to hit our sell limit order and the buy limit order to be triggered for the Euro GBP, just 5 pips away. Let's go to the Euro GBP. Look at that, it has tested our price, but because we are looking for the ask price to go there, the buy limit order was not triggered. Not in a rush, I'm waiting, it will test it again. Look at the spread, guys. All right, let's see. So none of our orders has been triggered yet. We are just a few pips away from triggering our buy limit order on Euro GBP. Come on, pound dollar, you can do it. Just another push to the upside. No, guys, we missed it. We missed it. We missed it. The high of this was 130, 123, for 17 pips. Our order was not triggered. And look at that drop, as expected. Okay. All right. It happens, guys. It happens. And for Euro pound, guys, we missed it for, I don't know, 1-2 pips. And now it's going up. Never mind. As I said, we are not losing money. Those who are losing money is those who are in the market and losing money. But it would be much better, of course, those trades to have been triggered. We were making money now, but we didn't got triggered. And look at pound dollar. Look at pound dollar. All right. Let's wait a bit. Maybe it is triggered in the next few minutes. Okay, Elif, you have shorted UK?
Yes, let me see. So, hello guys. I shorted UK 100, but it's crazy. It's really, really crazy, guys. As you can see, it dropped, but it didn't close with a profit. I left it over there. It will continue to drop, I believe. Wow, Mary, good job. Great, Mary. Mary closed her GBP USD trade with $1,000 profit. This is great. My Italy 40 position. There we go. I'm close to close Italy 40 with a profit. $800 on Italy 40. $800 on Italy 40. Let me see. 800. A bit more. I want a bit more. I'm aiming $1,200 profit on Italy 40. We are right now making $800 on Italy 40. On UK 100, the market seems to move in my direction. For my DAX position, as I said, I put a positive stop loss, and my stop loss will got triggered. It didn't hit my take profit. It was very close to my take profit. You see my take profit was at 12,490, and you see here the spike. It was very close, but it didn't get triggered. And then during the news announcement, it moved against me, and my take profit of 1,000, my stop loss of $1,500 plus got triggered. Now I'm looking and currently we are making $3,000 for today, $3,200. We are looking at UK. We are left with a UK 100 position and the Italy 40 position. Come on, UK 100 will move in our direction. Thank you, Mary. Yes, it was a quite nice day until now. Italy 40 is moving a bit against us right now, but okay, it will develop. It will develop. It will develop. I'm tending also now to open another one trade on DAX now that it's traded high, because I'm expecting DAX to drop. Guys, I will go again short on DAX. I'm going short on DAX right now, guys. There we go. I entered another short position on DAX because DAX is traded. Look at this DAX. Look at this DAX chart, guys. We have a very clear downtrend, and I opened another short position on DAX because I'm sure that it will continue to drop. So with Italy 40, I put also here my take profit at $1,200. It will hit also my take profit. With UK 100, well, I was expecting a bigger move, guys. To be honest, I was expecting a bigger move. It didn't move as much as I wanted, but it will go on. Let's see, we are short on DAX, we are short on Italy 40, and we are short on UK 100. On DAX and UK 100, we still pay the spread. Also, Italy 40 started to move in our against our movement, against our direction. But guys, for me, one thing is clear. While this morning I was aiming profits, take profits, I was putting take profits of $3,000, and they were getting very close to get triggered. Now I can't aim for these amounts. I will aim for frequent trades but short-term trades. So around $600, I will close my positions. Because as you see, for example, here, it started to be in a range, and I have to get the H's to make profit. Like, if this is hit, I will go for a long position. Then and I will put my stop, my take profit around this level. And when it hits, I will go for short, because you see here it's a so-called flag range, and that's what I will trade. On DAX, I'm quite sure that this is a downtrend. UK 100, I'm disappointed from UK 100. I mean, they had an interest rate announcement, and look at this movement. Come on, we are looking at a 5 minutes chart, guys. You see, Italy 40 has more volatility, more movement than UK 100, and they had an interest rate announcement. I'm really disappointed about UK 100, but still I think there is stuff to do. I see. I mean, they changed the interest rate, and look at this movement. Come on. However, Kyriakos, do you have anything to add?
Yes. Okay, guys, we are very close for my Euro GBP trade to be triggered, the buy limit order. I'm patiently waiting for that. And since there is a press conference in a few minutes from Carney, the Bank of England governor, okay, I believe that we will have some additional volatility in approximately 20 minutes, since he will talk about the policy and interest rates. I'm patiently waiting for the orders to be triggered. We are very close. We are just 5 pips away for the buy limit order on Euro GBP to be triggered. If it is triggered, I will inform you accordingly. So we saw that some volatility on the pairs. For 18 pips, we missed the sell limit order. I'm keeping it there as it is. I will be waiting for the speech of Carney to finish, and if it's not triggered, then I will cancel it, and I will cancel both orders, and of course, I will inform you accordingly. So for the moment, the only 2 trades that we have placed today is long dollar CAD and short dollar yen. That's all we have for the moment. We will keep you updated, guys, for any changes. If you have any updates or... No. Okay, guys, we will see you again in approximately 2 hours from now at 1 o'clock p.m. UTC time for our afternoon session. Thank you. Okay, guys, I think it's time to realize some profits. So I will realize $600 on dollar CAD. I will realize $900, $888 on euro yen. I will close also these positions so that we have a clear afternoon session with us. I have cleared with all my positions. I will also cancel the order of Aussie dollars so that I have a clear head in the morning. So far, guys, we are up $1,116. We have cleared all the trades and we are plus $1,116. I will reevaluate any analysis I have done, and in approximately 1 hour you will join us for the afternoon session. So far so good here at Forex, $1,116, and we will have a fresh start in the afternoon session, guys. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this afternoon's live trading session. So who is here with us, guys? Good afternoon, Matthew, Patrick, Peter, Richard, Stephen. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, Eve. Good afternoon, Emma, Daniel. Good afternoon, my friend. Good afternoon, Alan, and good afternoon, Andrea. How are you today, guys? Has anyone made some profit from the interest rates of the pound? We have been a bit unlucky on the pound, guys. Let me show you what happened. The movements were exactly as I expected them, but as you can see here, I had a buy limit order on euro pound at 88.55, but the bid price reached. My take profit, it was at 89.20. It could have been well hit. But we missed that, and pound dollar we missed also. We didn't trigger our trade as well. However, guys, throughout this house, we have made so far, I have made $1,116. And for this afternoon session, guys, I have entered 3 new positions, which I will go through them straight away. The first position is that I have entered long positions on Aussie dollar. This is all these trades are intraday trend contrarian trades, guys. I have entered long position on Aussie dollar, as you can see, with a stop loss at 73.50 and take profit at 73.90. This position where I'm risking $945 to get $1,055. Let's see if we will raise our profits for today. Also, I have entered a long position on euro dollar. So I have entered long positions on euro dollar with a stop loss a bit below the round number, psychological support round number of 116. So my stop loss is at 115.97, and my take profit, I have placed it at 116.55. Again, I always check the risk reward ratios, guys. It's very important for me. I'm risking $1,200 here to get $1,700. And the last trade I have opened, I have shorted USD-CHF. This is the USD-CHF graph, 1 hour chart, with a stop loss at 0.9965 and a take profit at 0.9920. Again, here, as you can see, I'm risking basically $1,115 more or less to get $1,146 of profit. And also I have placed a buy limit order, which I will cancel it because the movement has already been made. So I'm canceling the buy limit order, guys. I will stay with my current transactions. So cancelled. I have just cancelled buy limit order on Euro JPY. So guys, have you managed to make some money during the GBP interest rate increase announcement. Alan, Daniel, do you have any questions, guys? Is there anything you would like to discuss with us? Richard, Stephen, Patrick, you are more than welcome to type your questions in the chat room, guys. So for the afternoon session, I have opened 3 positions. Let me check the news calendar in case we have any other important news for today. As I can see, don't forget that we are monitoring our news from forexlive.com, our website partner. It is a very good site, a very trustworthy, and always the news are on time there. So for today, we don't have anything else waiting for regarding news announcements, nothing important at least. For tomorrow, guys, we have at 8:30 a.m. and half an hour after our trading session starts, we have services PMI for the British pound. Expectation is worse than the previous month, 54.7 versus the actual previous month, 55.1. And at 3:30, we have non-farm employment change and unemployment rate regarding the United States, the US dollar, and we have trade balance. So a lot of action will be waiting for us for tomorrow, guys. An exciting Friday for tomorrow. It's going to be a great day, and I'm expecting some good volatility, especially on my friend here, which is called USD CAD. Definitely I will trade it tomorrow, and I already know more or less what will happen on that pair based on the technical analysis I have done. So all we have done for the day, my biggest winner was the short position. The order was not triggered, but then I have entered short, and I have on pound dollar, and also at the same time I have entered short for hedging purposes on euro pound. I made around $300 out of these trades. Plus, we have made around $888 from dollar yen short position, $613 from long positions on dollar CAD, and we have lost $585 on euro dollar and around $100 on euro yen. Total for the day, currently we are up $1,116. Plus, we have so far unrealized profits from the current positions for the afternoon session, a bit more than $200. In approximately 25 minutes from now, we will have the US session, the beginning of the US session. Don't forget, guys, it's very important, and for newcomers, and for our students, and for our traders, it's very important, guys, to follow us on Twitter. We are posting our updates there, a nice, interesting article, like, for example, the other days I have posted a nice interview at Bloomberg from the Bank of England, John Carney. I have read the interview. It is on our Twitter account. It's a very interesting article, guys. Go and look for it, and I'm sure you will like it. Also, don't forget that you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you wish. We post highlights of trading rooms. We have full trading sessions there in case you would like to see something over and over again. You can even download the full sessions and have it saved on your PC. And of course, we have our Facebook page at trademy.trading.education. It is very important here to mention that for the new students and for the existing students, it is very important, guys, to invest and upgrade your existing training packages. We have packages going from beginners up to expert trader courses. All of the trading programs are offering funded accounts. The funded accounts, in some cases, guys, fully sponsored by Trademy. Talk with your account managers about the possibility of funded account, or in all of our training programs, we are offering funded accounts to our students. Why? Because the purpose here is not just to learn theory from the books. The purpose here, guys, is to what? Is to make money out of trading, guys. Is to make money out of trading and be professional traders? What's the point of having a course and at the end don't have money to apply what you have learned on this course? And that's exactly where the mentors are entering in this equation. My colleague Elif and me, we are your mentors, guys. We are doing one-to-one sessions, and in those one-to-one sessions, we have only one aim: to make you profitable traders, to design a trading strategy, for example, that is best suited to your needs. And what do I mean by that? For example, my friend Richard can be a very good scalper, and my friend, for example, Daniel, can be a very good intraday or short-term trader. This means what? That different strategy for the first one, different strategy for Daniel, for example. So not every one of you has to adopt the same strategy. Maybe Richard is a very good intraday trader, but maybe Daniel is a very good daily trader. So why should I force both of you to trade intraday? You got my point. That's why we are here, guys. Also, another thing that is very important. You are learning 1,000 concepts in our training programs. Not all of them will be used on trading. So if you have learned, let's say, about 30 oscillators, formulas and stuff, we can assist you choose the best 4 which are highly tailored to your scope as a trader, for intraday trading purposes, for example, or for short-term trading. That is the purpose of the one-to-one. We will tell you which indicators suit you best for your strategy, and we will assist you design your trading system. That's a huge asset for a firm to offer, guys. And we are, in order to be a successful trader, because I have been trading for 13 years, I have trained thousands of traders, guys, believe me, and in Reuters, and in Dubai, and in the UK, and in Greece, and in Cyprus. Usually traders need 3 things. The first one is a good training program. Trademy offers that. You need a good support team, good account managers to be there for you, and funded accounts to trade afterwards. We are offering that. And then you need a mentor to sit above your head and watch you and teach you and tell you your mistakes in order to assist you achieve what? In order to assist you achieve trading discipline. That's the biggest enemy of all traders. So here at Trademy, you are very lucky because we are offering all 3 of them. And exceptional, highly quality training programs, and very good account manager support staff, and funded account. Who else is giving you money after a course to trade, guys? And I'm telling you again, the funded accounts Trademy offers can exceed $150,000. Okay, it's a huge opportunity for you guys, because now with the new leverage restrictions, with small accounts, it's very difficult to make money, guys. So take advantage of that. Take advantage in a good sense of us, the mentors, and the whole team there. So that's all I wanted to say about the services Trademy offers, including ourselves as well. Hello, Daniel. Hello, how are you? Is everything okay, Daniel? How was your experience so far? You are following me. Nice to hear that. Have you placed any trades that I have currently placed, Daniel? If you have done so, thank you very much, Daniel, for your nice words. I'm always here, guys, to support you. And my colleague Elif, of course, both of us, we are a team here, we are not individuals. It is very important now for those who choose to follow any of our trades to mention that you can close your trades at any time you wish. At any time you wish. Guys, you need to understand that we are human beings. Sometimes we might be wrong. Sometimes we might be correct. It is very important to mention here that the only person responsible for the risk management of your account is 100% you guys. And another thing that is important, if you see there, we have repeated it a lot of times. I'm going to stress it out again. If you see a minus sign there, it means that if you decide to follow us now, you will get a better price. If you see a plus sign there, it means that if you follow us now, you will get a worse price than what we did. Risk management is one of the key aspects of success, guys. This is as far as risk management is concerned. And Daniel, on which training program have you entered? If you can hear me, Daniel, you can type in the chat room which training program are you following, so I can understand your level and the depth of knowledge you have, so that we can talk in the same language. Using MetaTrader 4, okay. Regarding Trademy, which training program have you chosen? The beginner's course, the professional, the expert course? This is what I'm asking actually. Now, guys, do you have any question? Beginner, okay, it's a good start, Daniel. Congratulations, guys, to all of you who have made the decision, because it's a very important decision you have made, guys, to even invest $1 in education. Because what happens? People start trading first, lose thousands of dollars, and then they say, okay, now I will learn. You guys, congratulations, I'm very proud of you. You have done it the opposite, the correct way. First you invest on education, and then you start trading. It is very important. So, congratulations to all of you who have made this step. It's a very difficult step to start and get into this profession. Even $1 of investment is highly appreciated, guys. So, we have 3 trades: long Aussie dollar, long euro dollar, short dollar CHF. I would like to stress out again that if you would like to have a one-to-one session with us, the mentors, contact your account manager at Trademy and request a one-to-one session. They will advise you on the steps need to be made, and we will be more than glad to have a one-to-one session with any one of you guys. So, having said all this, I would like also to welcome Amber. Welcome, Amber, to our live trading room, and nice to have you. Welcome, Emma, and welcome also Fanos. Welcome all of you guys. We have 3 positions. Let me repeat, because some people have just entered the trading room. I have entered long positions on Aussie dollar. Nice bullish engulfing pattern here. Bullish engulfing pattern here. I have entered long positions on euro dollar. Another bullish engulfing here. Let's see if the support levels will hold. And also I have entered short positions on dollar CHF. Elif, you call me? Okay, guys. Now is the time to go for the US Open. I will transfer you to Elif. I'm sure you will enjoy it. As Elif, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Hello, guys. Welcome to our afternoon session. Also from me. Hello, Daniel. Nice to have you with us in our nice community. If you have any questions, anytime you want, just type it on chat and we will get answers. You will get answers from us. So, guys, it was a great morning and great day, although the interest rate decisions were didn't make really much move, but still we closed various positions in profit we made until now. We made a lot of positions with profit today. Was nice, and now it's time for the afternoon to make much more profits. So getting ready. So as you know, guys, I'm trading a lot nowadays, the US opening, based on the earning release which are coming out right now. Every day it's the earning release period, and as I told you, we have releases which are BMO and AMC. What does this mean, guys? BMO means before market opens. So if a release is BMO, it means that before Wall Street opens, the announcement will be done, so we get the effect immediately when it opens. And MAC means after market close, so it's in the evening after Wall Street close. And we had yesterday, for example, Apple had on the day before an announcement. It was after the market closed, so yesterday during the open we made some movement, and today we have also some other news announcement, and let's get ready for it. As you know, we watch always the 1 minute chart. USA 500 is the S&P 500, as you know. USA 500 means it's the platform name. The underlying asset is S&P 500. Then we put Dow Jones. Dow Jones is called on our platform USA 30 for the 30 most traded assets. There we go. We put it also on a 1 minute chart. Here we go. And then we have also USA 100. There we go. USA 100 is the Nasdaq. So Daniel wants to see my trades. I have currently open for today DAX and UK 100 trades. They are developing. I have also a long trade on gold because gold is traded extremely low, and I entered this trade because it's traded extremely low and it's my long-term trade. That's why I have it there. I'm losing a bit over there, but it's okay, not a big deal. As I said, this is my long-term trade, and I will keep this trade for a while until the market moves. As you see, I have a moderate exposure on it, Daniel, and I will keep this for the reversal because I'm pretty sure about the reversal. So let's start. We have another 9 minutes to go. In these 9 minutes, I will show you also why I entered UK 100. I have a UK 100 position open while you guys were off. I opened a UK 100 position because I see Kyriakos has a short update, and then I will be here, guys. Wait a minute.
Okay guys, before the US Open starts, I decided that I would close all my positions, raising my profits by $560. So I'm closing everything, guys. We are very close to the end of the trading session. I have just closed all my positions. I don't have any stress now. I have made some money, $1,732. So that's it for Forex today. With no stress, we will enjoy now a live. But if I have any other trading opportunities for short-term trading, I will let you know, guys. $1,732 for today. Not bad for the day. These trades were placed for very short-term profit. So I have just closed everything. If I have any trades, I will let you know. Thank you.
Thank you, Kyriakos, and anytime you wish, you can interrupt me. So we have another 7 minutes to go until the opening. We are getting ready now. I'm watching at Nasdaq currently to get a general feeling of the markets, what's going on. Nasdaq had today a downtrend. In general, Nasdaq was today traded very had a strong downtrend, and also the data coming from the before market opening movements, they show a general downtrend, and we will see how the market moves and enter position accordingly. Dow Jones, let's see how Dow Jones is traded today. Also here we see this strong down movement. Now it's in a short pullback, slowing down, but I believe during the opening we will have some movements, and this downtrend is not caused only by the earning releases, it's also caused by the announcement of Trump yesterday evening. I told you beforehand, I'm getting quite a lot of notifications from various news providers, and one of the German news providers sent me a notification that Trump, let me find it and inform you about it, that Trump threatened again with much more tariffs against China. Tariffs against China. These might cause such an insecurity on the markets, right, guys? Yes, so here we are. Let me see if I get any other news here. Here we go. Let's get ready. We have another 5 minutes to go. As you know, yesterday we had also the Fed announcement. Normally during Fed announcement, it's really crazy how the market moves. And yesterday it was quite calm. It's like people got used to announcements. You know, they say, come on, another Fed announcement. So what? So what? So for me, Fed announcements are always interesting, and I was also trading last night, and now I see USA 100 is moving quite strongly right now. Also USA 500 started to move. We have another 4 minutes to go. I see the tension on the markets. Let's see also Dow Jones, what's happening. Woo, woo, woo. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Another 4 minutes to go. Guys, I will enter a small position on USA 100. Just to get the move. I am sure the move is clear. I just opened a position on USA 100 and it's getting there, guys. It's getting there. Let's see where we put our take profit. We put our take profit on. We make a small take profit just to get warm up. It's our warm up trade. It's our first warm-up trade. Currently, it's traded at 7,220, and I will put it on 7,222. Yes, 22. It's a trade to get warm. Hello, why I can't take this trade? 2022. No. What's going on? Oh, woo, woo, woo. Come on. Yup. Yes, this is what we wanted. Yes, a nice drop. A nice drop on our sell position. We are making right now just $40, but it was a nice drop. Let's see, the opening is coming close. Oh, you see that? We are selling also now. We are selling We are selling also now USA 30. We just sold USA 30. We just sold USA 30 and we another minute to go for the opening. No worries. The market will open in 15 seconds and it's a there we go, there we go. We open right now and I'm expecting now a sharp drop. There we go, there we go, there we go. Look at, wow, look at this. We are full in. Come on, come on. Yeah, come on, USA 100. Look at this spike, guys. Look at this spike. I'm tending to sell a bit more USA 100. What do you think, guys? Shall we sell a bit more USA 100? The pressure is too much. The pressure is too much. The bulls are too strong. The bulls are too strong, guys. I was expecting a sharp drop, which happened, but the bulls are strong. You see, they press the price up. You see it over here on our indicator. Look at USA 30. Look at this. Look at these movements. There we go. There we go. We are making. There we go. I just closed my Dow Jones position with $400 profit. Now, let's wait for the next shot. Let's wait for the next shot. Come on. Wait for the next shot and open again a position on USA 30. No, 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 go back, go back. I want more. I'm getting ready to sell again USA 30. USA 30, I'm waiting for the pullback to enter again USA 30. There we go. I sell again USA 30. I just sold again USA 30. I just sold again USA 30 Dow Jones. There we go. We are making $100 right now on USA 30, 120, 200. Come on, come on, come on. $200 and I will close it. $215, $350, $350 and we close the other trade. So getting ready for the next one. Come on, getting ready for the next one. Go up, go up, go up, go up so we can sell again. Go up to sell again. Go up. Come on, go up. A bit more. I want a bit more up. Go a bit more up so we can sell. Come on, a bit more. Come on, a bit more. There we go. We sell now. It needs. We just sold again Dow Jones. We sold Dow Jones. We sold Dow Jones. Come on. We want more. We want more. We closed 2 great trades until now. We get the other one. The other one is getting ready. With USA 100, I will close this trade. It's not behaving nice to us. Before, come on a bit. I will close USA 100 with, okay, I will close USA 100 once it's getting a bit more down. Getting ready for the next shot on USA 30. Yes, we are making $250, $400. We closed it again with $365. Now with USA 100, we have to do something. It's going against us. I will close it and I will increase my exposure and close, open again a trade, this time a buy position. Let me see, go a bit down so I can buy it. Okay, I buy now USA 100. I just bought USA 100. Guys, can you follow me? Just let me know if you can follow me. I know I'm a bit fast. Daniel, you are trading the first time with us. Tell me, can you follow me? Okay, I'm looking right now also to USA 30. I'm looking at USA 30. I'm waiting for the next move up so I can enter again a short trade. So our USA 100 position is making money. If the trade gets more than $400, I will close it. So we will cover our losses from the previous trade. Okay, on Dow Jones, we are looking at Dow Jones to get our next sell position. Come on, go a bit up so I can sell you. I want to sell. Okay, I'm selling now Dow Jones. I just sold again Dow Jones. There we go, guys. There we go. Come on. Come on a bit more down. On USA 100, we are making $100. I want on the USA 100 position at least $400, at least. Come on. So let me see. USA 500. Now would be the perfect time to enter again. So on USA 100, we are making right now $100. $200 on USA 100. $300. I told you once I get $400 from this position, I will close it. There we go. There we go. Come on. Dow Jones, drop a bit more. Drop a bit more. It's a wonderful afternoon. We closed until now $1,200, guys. $1,200 we closed until now. Only in the afternoon. Now we are looking at Dow Jones and at USA's 100. The movement slowed a bit down, but as you know, let's have a look at it on a bigger time frame. You see, this is a downtrend, and right now they just have a small pullback. It's a perfect time to increase your exposure, guys. It's a perfect time to increase your exposure. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Go. Come on. Come on. So we are making $260. $260 on USA 100. It's a nice afternoon. Look at this movement here. Dow Jones has, on the pre-market opening of all shares, a very bad result. So I'm expecting now Dow Jones to have a sharp drop. So let's put okay, I see now. I see on NASDAQ, we are making $300. It's going, come on, we want to trade. We want to close the trade in profit. Come on, another one trade in profit, and we will be happy, guys. We will be some happy guys. Come on. I am long on USA 100 and short on USA 30. We are getting ready to close our. Let me see. I will put a take profit on USA 100. So my take profit on USA 100 is at, let me see here, it's at 7,252. 7,252 is my take profit on this trade. And it's giving us a profit of $400. I will put also a stop loss. Let me put also a stop loss. My stop loss is at 7,221. There we go. Yep. Now the market moves. The market moves. Look at this wonderful formation, guys. Wonderful formation. This is a clear reversal. You see, we have a breakout from the Bollinger Bands. We have a cross in our on our stochastic oscillators. The bulls are stronger than the bears, so it's a clear reversal, guys. Clear reversal. The only missing indicator for a confirmation is on this chart, the parabolic SAR, and this is just a matter of time until it comes up. A very nice trade. Also, USA 300 is getting ready to reverse and get into our direction. Nice one, guys. It's a nice one. Anybody with me on this trade? I see Kyriakos entered it privately. Nice. Dow Jones, come on, baby, come down. Let's have a look also on gold. Gold, as I told you guys, we have currently our gold trade for a long-term position. I'm expecting it until next week to have a strong reversal, and I want to get all these move with me. I want to get all these move with me. That started to move in our favor. We have a position from earlier today. Okay, these two positions, they are okay. I'm right now focusing mainly on the American opening. Come on. It's a wonderful trade, guys. We made $1,200 until now on DAX, on USA 30. Oh, I see that Kyriakos just entered a short position on USA Japanese yen. I will pass now to Kyriakos to give you a short update, and then I will be here back for you.
Okay, guys. So the last trade for the day came out just right now, guys. I'm expecting a big drop, and I want to stress that out. I'm expecting a big drop on dollar yen. It's ready to break this support level here, so it's a big drop for us, and my take profit will be at the round number of 111. So take profit 111 round number, and my stop loss now. Let me find out the stop loss, guys. Have to be very careful on the stop loss. So we are aiming for $1,566. Let me check lower time frames as I want a very tight stop loss. Okay, there it is. 111.65 is my stop loss, guys. 111.65 is my stop loss for that trade. So let me check my risk reward ratio. $1,351 I'm risking to get 1,500. Great. All right, guys, that's the last trade I will place today. I will leave it run throughout the night. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter. If I close that position, we will update you in Twitter. So it looks very nice. It's a very, 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 very nice trade. Let me check the 5-minute chart. It's a very nice trade. Let me see if I can open also, if I can place. This is a nice descending triangle pattern on the 5-minute chart, but since it is on the 5-minute chart, it's not so reliable. Let me see what else I can trade. Euro dollar. No.
Ching.
We had a profit.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we go back to Elif.
Guys, we hit our take profit on UK 100. We made another $340, guys. We made $340 on UK 100. Nice one. So nice one. So Kyriakos, please continue. Sorry for the interruption.
So let me see dollar yen. I have to be very careful now because it's the end of the session. Let me see it again, guys. Definitely want this support to break. All the oscillators are having bearish attitude here. Dollar CAD is falling. Euro yen. All right. Dollar yen. Okay, it looks fine, guys, for me. It looks really good for short. That's why I have shorted it at 35. Let me check also the Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay. So what I will do, maybe I will enter a second short position at the 61.8. Okay, guys, I will also place a sell limit order. So I'm placing a sell limit order at 111.55. Stop loss 10 pips. No need to put more than 10 pips. If it goes above that trend line, then goodbye. It's going up. So what's the point of risking more? 65 and take profit 111. So that's the second sell limit order me see it again. Okay, the 5-minute chart is expected to be volatile, no worries about that. The key now is to hold. Okay, here we have the 61.8, we have the moving averages. Guys, I believe we will be okay. So, this is the last trade I'm placing today. One short position on dollar yen and a sell limit order at 111.55. Both positions, guys, are closing at 111.65. For your information, for both positions, I'm risking $1,850. If you see my account value, that's not even close to 1%, so it's absolutely fine for me. So I'm risking basically $500 from the sell limit order, and also I'm risking $1,350 from the current short position. However, I'm aiming for much more than that, more than $3,000 for both positions. So it's a risk that I'm willing to take. So always have in mind when you are placing trades, the risk reward ratios. They are very important, guys. We have a very nice training seminar in one of our training programs, and that is talking about risk management, how to calculate losses and profits, and what is the optimal risk reward ratio per trade for intraday trading. I'm trying always in the majority of my trades, not always, but 85–90% of my trades, I try to have good risk reward ratios on my trades. So the last trade I have opened, I have shorted dollar yen, stop loss 111.65, take profit round number 111. And I have also placed a sell limit order at 111.55, stop loss 111.65, take profit 111. We will check back tomorrow how this happened, what will happen with these trades. At any time I might close them, so follow us on Twitter to be updated, guys. We are closely approaching the end of today's trading session. Just a brief reminder of what is going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is a very exciting day because the game starts at 8:30, guys, in the morning with news announcements, services PMI on the GBP, but the real good news are at 12:30 p.m. We have non-farm employment change, NFP. No, not NFP, non-farm employment change, my apologies on that. We have unemployment rate for the United States, and also we have the trade balance for the Canadian dollar. So lots of action today, lots of volatility is expected, and of course later afternoon we have the ISM non-manufacturing PMI for the United States coming out at 2 o'clock p.m. UTC time. So that's all I have for the moment. We will keep you updated. Elif, do you have any updates before we close?
Yes.
Okay, I'm transferring you to Elif. I will see you tomorrow, guys, again at 8 o'clock a.m. UTC time. Bye-bye from me.
Hey guys, here I am again. We had a lot of trades again today. We made $420 on USA 100. We made around $1,200 on USA 30 only in this afternoon during the opening. We still have a position open on USA 30. I will leave this position open because the market moves a bit in our direction and take actions afterwards. I'm also still watching towards USA 100. I tend to open another trade over here because if you look, we had this nice, wonderful uptrend, and guys, what do you think? What do you think? We open. I tend to open another long position on it. It's such a wonderful trade, and I'm sure that it will continue. Yes, I will go again long on USA 100. I just opened again a long position on USA 100, and I'm aiming here a profit. Let me see. Let me see here. I'm aiming here the position to reach 7,000. 7,265.50. Let me see. Yes, this is what I will be looking at. And my stop loss is at 7,230, guys. This is my trade for today. My last trade for today, I just opened it. I increased my exposure, and I'm making already $100 over here, and I'm aiming $300. I believe that this market movement will happen very fast. Yeah, because I see that on my indicators. My indicators show me that this movement will happen. So this is my last trade for today, and I'm really happy about the results so far. I'm really happy about the results so far, guys. I hope you could follow me. Currently, we are making $200 on this trade, guys. $200. $300, almost $300 we are making on this trade, and we put our take profit on this trade to $380, and our take profit is very close to hit our last trade for the today, and it looks like we will hit take profit, and then we will close the trading day, guys, and then we will close the trading day. Another $40, and we are happy. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yes, another. Yes, there we go. 330. And we needed for this trade only 3 minutes, guys. Only 3 minutes and $300. Come on. Come on, and we will close the trade. So, guys, this is my last trade for today. I hope you had also so much fun as I did with these nice trades, with this nice possibility. Yeah, there we go. We are closing anytime soon. We are closing the position. I hope you had also a nice afternoon, and you had successful trades like we did, and you enjoyed the trading with us. If you have any kind of questions or anything is not clear, just let me know, and I will be here for you. Explaining you the idea of indice trading and how we trade the opening. So, guys, looking forward seeing you tomorrow at 8 o'clock UTC time here at Trademy.com to have a wonderful day with you guys, and we are okay, we will have a wonderful trading day today. Tomorrow we made a lot of money. We made around $3,700 profit today, only today, and hopefully tomorrow we will continue. Our aim is to reach our target of 13,000 on one day. As you remember, we made this target, and our aim is to break this target for a new one. So guys, see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock UTC time. Have a nice afternoon. Looking forward to see you guys. Thank you for watching us. If you have any questions, just send me on chat. Otherwise, I wish you a nice afternoon. Bye bye, guys.